Tired of reading thick manuals? This machine eliminates training headaches. Watch the video, please. First, enter the saw blade parameters. Once the saw blade is installed, initiate the tool setting process. Pick up the hand wheel and switch the adjustment mode to the X-axis, positioning the saw blade teeth approximately 1 millimeter away from the grinding wheel. Save the upper and lower reference points. Then disengage the hand wheel. Press the Tool Set button to execute the automatic tool setting routine. Upon completion of the tool settings, enter the desired feed rate and press the Auto button to start machine operation.